Welcome to Silmax. Are you ready to find out what we have prepared for you? Then follow the yellow. We present a new Silmax.it website with many new features and complete restyling of the site, but above all, the online purchase. The product sheet has been revised and enhanced with additional technical features such as working parameters, filters to fine-tune the search, geometries, and coatings. Three different navigation options to find the right tools for your needs. If you need to machine a material and don't know what tool to look for, use the new toolkit, a search engine that allows you to filter results by material and machining. To help you better manage your order, Silmax has developed a new e-commerce platform for the purchase of all its products. An evolving platform that is always up to date with prices and stock availability with all the detailed information on your orders. A reserved area where you can consult your order history, saved shopping carts, invoices, and order information with a simple click. Real business case examples of machining to choose the tools and strategy that will help you to complete your operation more advantageously than before. In its plant in Lanzo Torinese, coatings are made using PFD technology from the early Convalser group. Silmax has relied on the technology of two latest generation plants that offer high performance, reliability and versatility with Ingegna in 90 kg. Seal Service is the quality and reliable after-sales service for the reconditioning of your tools. These include resharpening, recoating and special 4S treatment developed in-house.